Hi, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Week, brought to you by the Robotic Soldering Experience. So what's the Robot Soldering Experience? Well, basically it's a feature area that I've put together, bringing together suppliers of robotic soldering systems, the materials that are used in the form of cord wires, but also some of the other associated equipment to help set up, quality control the process, monitor and help develop your product with a robotic soldering system. And what we've done is brought it together in one area for a day, and we've built some test boards. We've allowed each of the different suppliers to solder the boards initially to get the best process for that particular design, and then what we're going to do is inspect those sample boards, again anonymously, but to IPC standards, and I've got great faith that all of the suppliers will do a perfect job and the soldering performance will be very, very good from the systems, having spent a few hours setting it up to get it to its optimum. But that's obviously what we want to try and do. And if a supplier can provide you with examples of and the process parameters that have actually been achieved on a fairly representative board in manufacture, then you should have more confidence that he can provide the same sort of results for your production boards. In addition, what we're doing is interviewing and asking questions about specifics related to robotic soldering, but also design rules, quality standards and guidance on the use of these tools in manufacture. Sometimes the use of robotic soldering systems or robotics in general is a daunting task, but the earlier you learn about the techniques, even if you haven't got a process or a product ready to go, then that's particularly valuable for staff and engineers to understand. So with the online webinars and video recordings, which will be available for you to view at any time after the initial recording, then that will be a very valuable resource going forward. And of course, we'll be featuring our Defect of the Week, brought to you by the Robotic Soldering Experience as well. Thank you.